This is Cooper&Hunter's One-Way Cassette, available in sizes ranging from 6 to 18,000 BTUs. Its sleek, low-profile design allows for easy installation, making it a perfect fit for virtually any structure. Each unit comes equipped with our Smart Kit, so you can control your system right from your phone. Just download the Cooper&Hunter app. It also features a built-in humidity sensor to help maintain a balanced indoor climate, along with a new refrigerant sensor for added reliability. Our newly launched TU1 copper coils offer a 70% increase in resistance to formicary corrosion, enhancing durability and extending the life of your unit. All of these features come standard, and settings can be easily customized to suit the unique needs of any space. Cooper&Hunter units now operate with the eco-friendly R454B Refrigerant. Here's how Cooper&Hunter's One-Way Cassette can look in a typical home setting. Cooper&Hunter, addicted to comfort.